Hey, hello, my lovely people. Today we will review Ambrane Crest Pro smartwatch, which I purchased for rupees 999 only from Flipkart. Before that, please like, share, and subscribe my channel for future updates. This is the box. Box is very simple, and some details are mentioned on the box. This supports Bluetooth version 5.1, and there is certain features mentioned about this watch. You can see the MRP mentioned is 7,000, and the date of manufacturing of this product is May 2003, and it's a made in India product. The box is really nice, and the packaging quality is also very good. And these are some basic and there are two cards in the box, which is to rate their product and also to download a manual. They do not provide any manual as of now. You have to download the manual using the QR code, and here is the watch. The watch is packaged really nicely, and you can see the charging cable, pogo pin cable, magnetic pogo pin cable. The length of the cable is sufficient, and the magnet quality is also very nice. It sticks to the watch firmly. And this is the watch, and you can see the screen. It's a rugged design watch. You can see the body of the watch is plastic. The top ring only is made up of zinc material, that's alloy metal. The display screen size is 1.51 inches, which is not really that big. And this is the watch back, and there are a few sensors here, SpO2 and heart rate monitoring sensor. Here is a speaker and his microphone sensor. This is the strap of the watch. I think it's made up of rubber, and the quality is also really nice. And the watch strap size is nearly 25 mm, which is really hard to find in the market. The replacement product is really hard to find in the market. And this is the Fossil brand wrist watch strap, which is made up of leather. I replaced it using this. To start the watch, you have to press the top button for nearly 3 to 5 seconds. This is the display. You can see the Ambrane logo here, and display is really nice. Once you pull down from the top of the screen, you can see a quick access menu. There are few brightness settings. This is about the information of the device, and you can see the firmware version, and there are various other options. Do not disturb mode. This is the default watch face. Tap on the screen for a few seconds. You can change the watch faces. There are few preset watch faces here. You can download the watch faces from the app as well. Right swipe on the home screen, you can see all the activity measurement records will be found here. And this is the BPM heart rate monitoring sensor. See, green sensor is for heart rate monitoring, and it's the sleep monitoring sensor. You have to connect the watch to the mobile, then only the weather data will be displayed. This is for adding new options to the home screen. When you swipe to the right, you can also change the watch faces using the crown. You just rotate the watch crown. It also works as scrolling. It also has a scrolling function, which is really nice and convenient to use. If you press the bottom button, you can access all the sports mode, which is very convenient to use. Press the crown button once to view the menus. And this is the password I have set for the watch. No one can access my watch without knowing the password. This is the menu style. I had set it like this, and this is style number 2, I guess. You can see all the options in smartwatch. This is the stopwatch. There is a timer option too, which is really nice. There are various preset options. You can also custom this option, which is really nice. And the alarm too, it cannot be set from the watch. You have to use the app to set the alarm. This is the game. The game is very nice. There are 2 games. You can also install some other games from the app. There is also an option for compass. You have to wave the watch in infinity symbol sign to activate this compass mode. Compass really works very nicely. This is really helpful for people who often go for trekking and all. There is a setting menu. Inside there are 4 types of menu options. You can set it according to your choice. Screen timer maximum 30 seconds, and also raise to wake for 6 seconds. You can keep the screen awake. And always on display option mode is also there. There is one. This is the digital mode. This is analog. This is the analog mode. Analog looks really nice. You can set it. There are various other options like battery power saving mode. You can set that if you want to save the battery. And this is vibration and intensity soft and strong. You can set the language. For Indian people, the English is the only available option. You can set the password here. Options work really nice. I have been using this for the last 1 month. There is no really major problem with this watch. Everything works really fantastic. If you want to know there are few minor problems, will be shared to you in a separate video. It will be uploaded in the next 1 to 2 days. And there is a quick access menu when you swipe to the left of the. If you want to hear any songs and all from this watch, you have to activate this media audio button. Then only you will be able to listen to songs on your smartwatch. This is the Ambrane, where you have to download it from the Play Store. It is easily available and easily accessible. Mobile gets connected to it easily. There is no disconnection problem and all. Here you have to set some basic details about yourself to start using this app. This is the app, guys, and you can see this is the goals you have to set. You can change this according to your preferences, and this is how we connect it to the app. You can keep monitoring for day wise, week wise, also month wise. It's very convenient to use, and also all the data gets recorded accurately. I've been using this for the last 1 month. You can see the push notification option is also there. If you want to receive any messages and all directly to your watches. This is the drink water function. You have to set it through your app only. This is how the drink water function looks on your watch. Through style library, we will find hundreds of tile faces in which some are really good and some are really childish kind of a thing. Style face looks really nice. You can see here it's downloading now. It takes time to get synchronized to the watch. If the internet is really good, then it takes hardly 10 to 20 seconds for synchronizing. It's really a nice thing. Here is the section called Sports Push, through which you can add many sports activities to your watch. As you know, there are really 8 to 9 activities at the moment in the watch. You can add as many activities as you want to the watch. This is the game section, from which you can add new games, but at the moment there are no games. There is an option to race to wake feature also from this section. You can see here. And if you lost your watch, you can find your watch through this section called Find Watch. When you press the Find Watch section, the watch rings as well as vibrates really hard, and you can change the hour style. And wrist preference can also be changed from left hand to the right hand, based on which the measurements will be taken. You can even change the units for measurement. It's a really nice option. The watch looks really fantastic. This is the best watch under 1000 rupees. Best rugged looking watch, I can say. And you can see the BPM monitoring, heart rate monitoring. Heart rate monitoring is really accurate. I have even compared it with the health grade instrument which I have at home. There will be 1 to 2 reading difference. It's fine for a smartwatch, but heart rate measurement is really accurate, I can say. CO2 monitoring, you can see, you can find all the data when you scroll down. When there is a measurement for heart rate monitoring, I can say it's accurate, but you should not rely on this heart rate monitoring system. This is just for your reference. As I said, once you scroll down, you can see this on the quick access menu, from which you can change the brightness as well. See, this is at highest brightness. You can see the background is not really black because of this TFT kind of display. The background, it looks like a greyish tinted glass, which really doesn't look nice especially when you are using always on display feature. At noon light condition, you can see the display is quite visible, which is really nice. But there are few problems in this watch, like when you use the crown button and the touchscreen simultaneously, you can see the watch hangs frequently. But apart from that, the watch is really nice. If you get it for $999, you should definitely purchase it. Thank you.